until something better came along.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cammans, and
Playing with Preston.
And today we are going to see if we can make this sharp rock even sharper.
With only a hammer.
Yeah. I'm going to help him with a net.
How's that going to help?
I don't know.
Fetch more rocks so we can sharpen more rocks.
How?
Rocks fly, don't they? I was just joking.
Okay. 3, 2, all 1.
It's not going to help.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I'm moving my phone back.
Yeah, you better. I gotta move before it hits me. I have a net, and I'm not going to use it on you.
Let's see how sharp it is. It's pretty sharp there. Now where else?
Okay, guys, I'm going to fast forward it, and we'll get back to you whenever we get some progress.
That's why I said go get some rocks.
Dance, Blake. Does it have much progress?
We got 2 sides.
We got 2 sides sharper, guys. Hey, do it away from my camera, please. I don't want my viewers being hit. I love my viewers. Whoa. Guys, I'm going to catch his phone with this net. I caught it.
I broke it in half.
Out to sea. Wait, you broke it in half? Look how clean that is. Sharpen here.
It has to be like flint, but
So, that one was a buzz, guys. That other one that had the clean, oh, and this is a buzz. Wait, oh, is it sharper? Oh, it looks a little bit sharper, guys. See
looks
it?
like it looks very weird. Is this granite, Camden?
I'm pretty sure it is, probably.
Give it to me.
Any rock experts, comment down below if this is granite.
Site.
Oh, and the site.
Give it to me.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be our second before last rock.
I never agreed to this.
I agreed to that. Whoa. Apparently, it flew away. Whoa. How did this stand up? This was standing up, guys. It broke off of this rock. Okay, guys.
Deleted.
So, wait, stop. Ah! I want my fingers smushed. I don't want my fingers smushed. Okay, guys. So this is one of the rocks that broke off, and it's very sharp. Like, I think you could use this as a knife for vegetables to actually,
I'm hitting the ground.
Cut it. And okay, guys, if I had to choose if the experiment was a bust or complete, I think it would be a bus because we only got like 2 rocks sharpened. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. If not, then maybe you should go and watch yourself. Just kidding. Bye.